สวัสดีจ้าพี่น้องสุภูสุคนมื้อนี้แน่นกับพ่อใหญ่จะพาพี่น้องเดินทางไปเบิงน้ำตกในประเทศอังกฤษเนาะจ้านี่ก็เป็นครั้งแรกของแน่นคือกันจ้าที่จะได้ไปเบิงน้ำตกจ้าอยู่อังกฤษมาประมาณ5-6 ปีแล้วจ้าบ่เคยไปเที่ยวน้ำตกในอังกฤษจักเทื่ออันนี้ก็ครั้งแรกนี่ห่างน้ำตกอันนี้ห่างจากบ้านประมาณ15 กิโลนึงจ้าพี่น้องแต่ก็บ่เคยมีโอกาสได้ไปจ้าระหว่างทางแน่นก็เก็บภาพมาข้างทางมาให้พี่น้องเบิงไปพร้อมๆมันกันเนาะจ้ะว่าบรรยากาศเป็นแนวใดแน่เนาะจ้ะแกะพี่น้องเต็มบนทางอยู่จ้ะ
He's decided to cross the road just as we come. They don't care, do they?
ต้องระวังจ้ะพี่น้องแกะหลายจ้ะI think they used to eat with the people across the road.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
It's sort of fun around this. I thought it was really busy at the moment.
This might be because
That's where you park then.
Yeah. ไปนี่
Oh, that's the hotel there.
Yeah. You park here and walk back.
Yeah, I guess so.
หาที่จอดรถกันจ้ะพี่น้องปิด
We've been really lucky with this track, by the way.
yeah.
Because I'm in that group, XF Club, 3,500 members in that,
Oh.
and every day you get so many people have so many problems.
Oh,
with it.
yeah.
Older ones more. But,
Yeah. Yes, we can. No, nothing can eat. But I think it's finished now. The weed we picked it up. Thank you.
you
Thank you. It's cold. Oh, yeah. It's a lot.
hear water.
Where's that? Might be the waterfall.
It's going that way.
Ah,
We're going down now, and we're gonna have to
yeah.
climb back up again.
Okay. Did you find anything? You find anything? Careful. พ่อใหญ่เราเข้าไปเบิ่งอีหยังบ่จักพี่น้อง What you looking for? Water. อ๋อเพิ่นว่าอันน้ำตกน้อยอันน้องไปเบิ่งน้ำตกเนาะจ้ะ โอ้โย I hear the water ได้ยินเสียงน้ำ
The stream, that
สับลุก Oh.
if you go down a bit further, you'll see it where it drops.
น้ำตกน้อยๆ I can see น้ำตกน้อยๆน้ำมันไหลพี่น้องพาสมเจ้าเข้าป่ามื้อนี้ โอ้มันมาจากโน่นนะพี่น้องไปต่อกันจ้ะพี่น้องชวิเคทเอา gonna be tired when come up ชันเด้อพี่น้อง
Near water now.
Oh yes yes
Big water.
yeah ได้ยินเสียงน้ำตกอยู่จ้ะพี่น้องOkay. No, it's not. Yes.
Like I said. I think they could have made them a bit smaller, these steps, really.
Yeah.
So, this water
Yeah, I can hear
is getting
from.
more and more, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, as it's going.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
It's lovely.
Isn't that peaceful?
Yeah. Can't see them.
Nothing like trickling water to relax you. You know.
Mm.
Might make you a Buddha garden.
All right.
With a water fountain.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see first. Let's see first. Yes, I know.
With a hospital around it.
That's a problem. Buddha have to be high.
Yeah, the Buddha can be the higher. I'll put it up on the just like a head. Buddha head.
It's already.
Well, we're getting there, I think.
Oh,
Like here, you can see the look.
yeah. See.
So you're
Hot la
getting,
bio.
getting excited now. aren't you?
I am exciting now. This
Yeah.
is a good.
This isn't the main waterfall's got to be up higher, isn't it?
Wonder where
What's the-
lots of people come. Yeah.
Don't go to sleep, will you? Peaceful. Relaxing water. Oh, need that for that though. Check that.
Well, cool.
It's up that way, I think.
This up.
Yeah,
Okay.
you've got to go further up because that'll be the main.
Ah,
I'm
good.
thinking. Because it's a tall one here, isn't it?
Yeah. Go up and down later. ถึงแล้วพี่น้อง
Oh, if we walk down, do you want to go and see
Go
that
up,
one first?
yes. Go up.
I mean, the good thing is it's been raining, so the water's
Yeah.
running well. But the drawback is that it's muddy.
Yeah.
But
Careful.
still nice.
Yeah.
We could have brought our picnic.
Oh yeah.
That's
Oh,
if, we
gonna be.
if we come again, we'll have to remember.
Yeah.
Just bring a bag to bring down
Yeah.
here. You know, like in the backpack or something.
Yes.
Easy though, isn't it?
Yeah. โอ้พี่น้อง
Just
ห
go
อ
and
ดแล้ว
sit
เจอ
on
อัน
one
นี้
of those big stones, right?
Yeah.
This reminds me of that one we went to in Thailand.
that in นครน้ำตกกันยังก่อนพี่น้องอยู่นครนายกอ่ะแน่นลืมไหมจ๊ะจักแหละเนาะลืมละพอได้ไปเป็น7-8 ปีมั้งจ้ะพี่น้องโอ้ยอยู่กับธรรมชาติ Yeah, nice for picnic.
Yeah, because look at the height up here.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that somewhere up here
Yeah.
there's going to be a big drop.
Yeah. It's very nice and quiet here. โอ้เย็นเย็นพี่น้องเย็นสบาย แต่ว่าหินมันหลายต้องคอยย่างจ้ะ Oh there it might be.
The last one is going to be a bit further up now.
Yeah.
Where's the actual big waterfall?
It might be the
I
Up
think
further.
you've got to climb across all these rocks to get.
ทางมันก็ย่างจักยากจักหน่อยพี่น้อง Yeah. We can ask them over there is how. Yeah. โอเคพาซุมเจ้ามาเที่ยวน้ำตกอยู่อังกฤษจ้ะพี่น้องน้ำตกอยู่อังกฤษ yes right okay that is nice I'm gonna take some picture
Don't use that sticky You can jump in it.
It's waterfall น้ำตกอยู่อังกฤษพี่น้องมาดูนะ Nice here. I think this is the first time in England I see proper one like this.
Yeah, I know this. Yeah, it would be nice to get that side, but no one's over that side, so I wonder why not. Am I in your way?
No.
That's nice over there, isn't it? Should we get on when they go? Finish the video and I'll... You can walk right over that down.